Adding line numbers in Microsoft Word is one of those features that feels hidden until you actually need it for a legal document, a script, or a poem. While most people go for the standard turn them all on one approach, there are a few clever ways to customize them to fit your specific needs. So here is how master line numbering from the basic part to the more unique formatting tricks. So if you just need numbers to appear next to every line in your documents, then go to the layout tab on the ribbon, click on the line number and select continuous number to the whole document. There is another selective way numbering specific paragraph. Sometimes you don't want your titles or a quote to be numbered. So highlight the paragraph you want to exempt. For example, I have highlighted this paragraph or a line and then go to the line numbering and click on the surpass for current paragraph. And now click on line numbering. Again go to the line numbering option. Click on the layout. Click on the line numbers. Add line numbering and click on the continuous and click OK and OK. And here you can see that. There is another way which is called customs interval. If you find a number on every single line too cluttered, you can set them to appear every 2 or 10 lines. So for this you need to go to the layout, click on the line numbering arrow, click on the line numbering option. So in the page setup, click on the layout and click on the line numbers. Click on the add line numbering and now in the count box you need to set 2 and click on the continuous, click OK, and here you can see that. So this creates a much cleaner professional aesthetic often seen in classical literature or legal briefs. So if you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.